Signorello Vineyards. Best 4, tasting experience, winery tour, food and wine pairing. After the October 2017 Atlas Peak fire, all that was left of Signorello was their vineyards and their wine tanks. It took owner Ray Signorello only moments to decide what he would do about that. After asking whether the employees were okay, then inquiring about the vineyards, he immediately pledged to rebuild. That process may take a few years, but even in their temporary quarters, Signorello offers one of the best winery experiences in Napa Valley. You could go to Signorello Estate to enjoy one of the best tasting room views in Napa Valley. You could go to sample their limited production, highly rated, estate-grown wines. You could even go because they're one of the few Napa wineries that pour 2 white wines along with their reds. But the real reason to visit is to get a glimpse of one of the few family-owned wineries left in Napa, a winery where the owner and his father planted the original vines by hand. Go for the estate experience, which includes a driving tour of their vineyards, followed by a seated tasting of 5 wines, paired with thoughtfully chosen, seasonal gourmet bites.